Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to share a YouTube video with timestamp. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you need to go to YouTube or YouTube video, open YouTube and play the video. Now, step 2, you need to pause at the desired time. So you can pause the video at the exact moment you want to share. For example, if you want this part right here to share, what you're going to do is you have to simply pause or stop and then click the share button. Below the video, you can click the share button. You should see that, or you can check that the clip that you're about to send should be the exact time that you have selected. But in case that you can't see that, what you're going to do here is you have to basically scroll and look for the clip option rather than the share option, which is this one right here. So you have to tap on the click option, and then you can now place or select that specific time. You will see it right here. So you can now start at this specific time, and then you can also end at that very specific time. After that, you can now tap on share, and then you can basically share this or copy the link. The link will now include a timestamp, and then you can paste and share it. So when someone opens the link, the video will start at that specific time. So for example, I'm going to share this to my Viber. I'm going to send this to a specific person. Then I'm just going to paste the link, or the link will be automatically appear right here. So when my friend Andrew opens this link, it will take him directly to that specific time of the video. And that's how easy it is to share a YouTube video stamp. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.